Hey, good morning, and thank God it's Friday, the last day of the work week for most people. But hear what? I thank God for today because it's the day that God has made, and we, you and I, will be glad and rejoice in it. Hear what Jonah chapter 1 verse 9 says. And Jonah answered, I am a Hebrew, and I worship the Lord, the God of heaven, who made the sea and the land. Strange. Now you know who you are? Strange. Now he knows who he is? Strange. Now he's talking about he worshiped God, and his actions are showing that he's running from God. How could you say that this is what is happening when everything in your life is happening that says differently? He says, I worship the Lord, the God of heaven, who made the sea and the land. Verse 12 says, he says, throw me into the sea, and it will become calm again. I know that this terrible storm is all my fault. Yes, we know it sometimes. We know it. We know who God is. We are fully aware of what God can do. We have testimony after testimony of God's might and power to do all kinds of stuff for us. We've seen God show up time and time again. And now we're running, and we expect him to just lay down and let us run. You're not the prodigal son. We're not just letting you walk out the door and suffer until you get back. No, you're not wasting the resources. Jonah is like you today. You're telling them that you're a worshiper of the true and living God who made the sea and the land, but your actions are not showing that you really believe. It's time that you go overboard. It's time the fish visits you. It's time you get to Nineveh. It's time you deny self and obey God. I pray this weekend you'll make a real commitment, starting right now. Make a real commitment to be obedient to your Father, because he's still the Lord God who made heaven and earth, the land and the sea. He's still that God. And it's time you jump overboard and obey God. Hey, God bless you. See you next week in the will of the Lord.